teach you how to do a double under crisscross, just like this. If you got your basic crisscross down and you can do 10 to 15 crosses in a row without messing up, you are ready to give this a shot. So grab your rope and check me out. Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me on how to do this tutorial on double under crisscrosses. So basically, what you need to be able to do before you try your double under crisscross is just your basic consecutive crisscrosses in a row. You want to try to do at least 10 to 15 in a row, and once you got that down without any misses, then you are ready to try the double under. So this is what I'm talking about. If you can do this 10, 15 times in a row without messing up, you are ready to try the double under crisscross, okay? So let's get started right away. Basically, first things first, a double under is when the rope goes under you 2 times. So when we are doing crisscrosses, we are going to, in the air, we're going to cross, uncross, okay? All in one motion, and the rope will go under us twice, okay? So when we jump up, we're gonna go cross, uncross, and then land. So we're gonna start off with just trying 1 in a row, and once you have that down, then you're gonna slowly add on double unders as you get better and better and more fluid with it, okay? So let me show you what this looks like. So we're gonna jump, cross, uncross, and then just land, okay? So practice doing that a couple times. Don't overcomplicate this, okay? If you have cross, uncross, if you have this motion down, okay, you're just gonna jump a little bit higher and you're gonna move your hands cross, uncross a little bit faster because you wanna do it all in one jump, okay? Before you hit the ground, you wanna do a cross, uncross. All right, so let me show you a couple more times. Cross, uncross, and land, okay? I'm gonna do it in slow motion so you can kind of see. Okay, and land. All right, so keep doing that a couple times. If you guys need any tips on how to do a crisscross, you can click on the link right here and that will teach you the right form. But I'm just gonna go with it as if you know what to do and where to cross and keep your wrists straight, okay? So again, if you have this down, you can do the double under. Cross and cross, okay? Just like that. So keep practicing that. It's gonna take you, maybe 5, 10 times or whatever. And then once you have that down, then you can start adding them in consecutively, like this. All right, and that's all there is to it. So comment below, let me know if you have any questions. Again, if you're having trouble with just your basic cross, I have a tutorial on that, so click the link right here. It'll teach you your basic crisscross. Other than that, you got it. Just stay patient, keep practicing, and have a great day. Thanks guys, bye.